Step 1 is to turn your mobile phone on. Step 2, you're gonna click on the website just like this. And step 3, you can start making money online right away, starting today, and earn over $2 like it's a miracle. And all you have to do to be able to get these results is to What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Right now, I want you guys to look at this one. We have this amount of money with just one click of a button on this website. And this website right here, another set of payment again, and this website, another set of payments again. And your opportunities are endless over here. You can just click on the website and then you can earn money over and over again, up to $15 US. And you can do over 100 clicks, no matter how many, and you can earn just as much. Our method for today is 100% free. You don't need to pay for anything. It's available worldwide. And I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to do this and some real life demonstrations. I know you guys are going to love it. I will be dropping some bonus steps as well. And if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you finish today's video. And let's jump right into it. So right now, I want you guys to go on to this website, which is called inboxpage.com. And basically, this website is where you get paid to click on websites and you can earn money just like this. And obviously, all you have to do is repeat this over and over again. As you can see here, the members of the inboxpage.com have already earned more than $2 million. And this has been around for a very, very long time. And they pay you your cash payment straight into your PayPal account, into your bank account, whatever it is, PayPal, AirTM, Paytm. There's a lot of different payment methods. So right now, I want you guys to really listen, okay? Because if you miss anything important, then most probably you're not gonna come out successful like we promised you. So, right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this blue button right here to join now. Then you're gonna be brought to this page. As you can see, it says that you can make up to $100 per survey from home, and also you get to see the other customer reviews on this website. But once again, you have to answer a few questions to be able to get qualified. So as you can see here, you're going to take these surveys right here to answer 3 questions. So the first one is, are you ready for fall? So all you got to do is just click on yes. And as you can see here, question number 2, who do you prefer to spend the holidays with? And I do recommend you guys to click on family. And the last one, question number 3, very important. Do you plan on traveling for the holidays this year? And you gotta click on yes so that you can be qualified. So I'm gonna click on the yes button. As you can see here, congratulations, you're qualified to join this website. All you have to do is provide them with your email address, and then as simple as that. And right now you're gonna come over to this page. As you can see, you're gonna fill up this form to go to the next step. And right here, you're gonna put your first name, your last name, again your email address, and then a password, obviously, for your account. You're going to choose your gender, the date of birth, and then it's super easy process. You're going to put in your zip code, phone numbers, your address, and once everything is filled out and completed, you are just going to click on this continue button right here. So as you can see, once you click on the continue button, you're going to be completing your profile in order to get started. And then let's just go down below here. First of all, you have to check your inbox, your email, because they are going to send you a verification confirmation into your email. So just make sure you check that. And then they're going to send from service@inboxpage.com. As you can see here now, it's very important. Step number 2, you're going to click on the confirmation link so that you can verify your account. Step number 3, you can finally start making money using this website. All you have to do is click on this green button to continue. Finally, you're going to be brought to this page, as you can see, and this is the inside of your account. I want you guys to comment down below what country you reside in and what payment method you guys prefer so that I can use it for my future videos. And I always appreciate it when you guys comment down below because it helps me think of new ideas and concepts. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Again, over here, welcome back your balance is how much your balance is. Actually, usually it's $5 because you are given $5 just to sign up for a free account. $5 for signing up. That's crazy. And then under cash offers, you're gonna find different websites that you can actually click on and get paid. For example, this one that says it pays you this amount of money, and this one as well with this amount equivalent to it, even up to $50. So as you can see here, when I scroll down below, you're gonna see there are hundreds and thousands of different offers, different websites that you can click on and get paid. So you have to keep watching because I am gonna be showing you the real life demonstrations right now. So for example, if you want to click on this website, which is Nelson Digital Voice, all you have to do is click on this green button right here to begin now, and then you're going to come over to this page where you're going to see here that the time that this is going to duration is just about 2 minutes. So, and then you can earn $7 or how much it's equivalent to. Again, this is how you're going to do it really quickly in less than a minute. You're going to scroll down below. You're going to click on this continue button. Then you're going to come on over to this website as you can see here. Now the first thing that I want you to do is stay on this website for at least 60 seconds, which means a minute. And then you don't have to do anything. You don't have to click anything. You don't have to buy anything or type anything in. Just stay on the page for 60 seconds. And then you're going to go ahead and then you're going to click on the second website and you're going to click on begin now. And as you can see here, this website, they're going to pay you this amount of money and they will require about 5 minutes. So right now, let's just go down below here. Click on continue. It's going to take you to this page as you can see here. Now you can read the website and all you have to do once again, stay here for 60 seconds. You don't have to do anything. And the reason why I want you to visit 2 websites at the same time is because I don't want you to waste a lot of time and a lot of effort, because you can just open up multiple tabs, open up multiple websites all at the same time. You just click on them using your phone, using your computer, and then you can open the website in different tabs. You can see here I opened this website right here and the other one over here, and I can make money at the same time, and it's just a really smart way to really get the money going. So you're gonna see that your balance will actually go up the more websites you open up, the more websites you click on, and the more websites you stay on. So as you can see here, you just work for about 5 minutes and you already have this amount of money in your account. It's just amazing. You can do the same thing over and over again and then earn money and just earn more and more money every single time you click on something. There's hundreds of different websites and offers that you can do, so there's really nothing that you're losing. Before you finish up, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. Plus, we have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit that notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then. So once you finish everything up on the cash offers, you can click on this one. You can also do the bonus offers right here. And this is where they're going to take you to this page where you're going to do other different offers and maybe even surveys on this website. For example, this one here, and you can just click on this button, or you can find different surveys or offers to do. As you can see here, thousands of users from all over the world are already joining this website and making money from it. Now, another bonus tip that I want to give you is that you can actually click on the referral button on the top, and then you're going to come over to this page where you're going to see that you can invite your friends to this website and you can actually earn money. As you can see here, refer your friends to this website and you can earn cash as well. So in this case, you're gonna earn 10% of whatever your referral earns. Say for example, your referral earns about $300. So 10% of that is $30 for completely free, completely passive, completely automated without doing anything at all, which is super cool. So when you scroll down here, you just have to copy and paste the link below. And then right here, you can see your referral link. And all you have to do is just click on this button right here to copy a link. You can share this link with your friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on YouTube, or any social media. And whenever they sign up and whenever they earn money, you're going to earn 10% of whatever they earn. So it's just a bonus income stream that will absolutely help you a lot as well. So make sure you do that. Make sure you follow everything that I had just taught you. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.